Okay guys, so it's AK here. So now obviously we are going to show you guys how to put in moving averages. The reason we're not going to go into detail in terms of explaining how the actual indicator works is the fact that we've picked up that some guys don't even know how to put them or to add them onto the chart. So charts you'd always find here. So there's number one, that's where the pairs are. Number two, that's where the charts are. This is where what you're trading will be on, and this is where the statement of how your trades went will be found. So we are coming to charts. You come to chart. So I'm gonna go quick, but remember it's a video. You can always go back to the video, replay it as many times as you like until you understand it. So you first click here, right? Anywhere on the screen. You're looking for this guy F, right? That's where you find your indicators. And then we're talking moving averages. There is the moving average. Click it. And then first things first, what you saw in Sfundo's notes, it speaks about a red line. There we go. Let's first change it to red. There's a red line. This is pink. We want to go to red. There we go. Pixel, if you remember correctly, it speaks about 3. And then you look at the notes also, what Nonjabulo mentioned is that they all need to be on exponential, right? Period. If it's red, it's got to be 69. Let's have a look. Can we find 69 quickly? 69, 69. There's 69. What else do we need to change? That's about it, right? Remember, there it is. The red line, pop. It's in. We click on the screen again. We come back to the same F. There we go. We want to add another moving average, right? We come here. There we go. We're looking for moving average. There we go. And then the color, we remember it's got to be blue. And there we go. It needs to have a pixel of 4. Click. Go to 4 pixel. We remember it also stays as exponential, but that number changes. That's the period. We need to get it to number 10. Okay, let's have a look. Can we get to 10? Can we get to 10? Okay, there we go. So we've got a 10, not a 109. We're looking for 10. There we go. And is there anything else we need to change? No, that's it. So you've got 2 lines. Moving average, red. Moving average, blue. Done.